Welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop for July the 20th. This is something we haven't seen in over almost 28 days. Now the cloud cover is great. We're hoping and praying that this rain will come over Boyd, Texas and Poolville and Azle and all of this central Texas that is so bone dry. You can see the yard and the plants are suffering big time. The wife's wonderful rose bed over there she kept for years, since 2014 of living here. The only one is the big rose bush. Keep watering, but it's so hot here. You know, I mean, we're just burning up. And all you creators and followers, please include a prayer for Texas and other drought-stricken areas. But I don't think that this is going to make it to us. We got a southerly breeze still here, about 10 miles an hour to my back, and but we sure need the rain. Let's go inside the shop a minute and show you what is going on, because I got a few minutes this afternoon late. Let's go in the shop. Getting to spend a couple of hours here, hopefully, before I go back out in the morning and be with my bride out at our daughter's. But got the motor that we took off of this setting here that we had up on the Delta 44 drill press off just a few minutes ago. Fixing to bust her down and give it to Randy Richards detail. It's going to get painted. Could not stand to not put this on here. It's clean, but I'm going to go ahead and strip her completely down and make old Randy proud of us. He did such a nice job on that table saw joiner. And then I've got all the rest of the parts here ready to put back together. Just filled up the crankcase oil and got the bottom softeners down there on the opposite feet. They're all on. Of course, it's gonna make it nice with the wheels. Still gotta add the Harley-Davidson handle grips to these wood dowels. Make it kind of custom looking. And the regular bolts here, 1/2 inch, they're going to get some covers like I use on my street rods. I'm going to put some snap-on covers. They're chrome, and I think I'm going to paint them probably black. Anyhow, that's another project. But back to the Delta a few hours this afternoon, and then I've got to dress up and put shield cable over top of the light fixture. And I made a mistake. One of my commenters said that's a retirement lamp, is what they call it. And so I've been corrected on that, and that actually fits, because most people retire are gonna start getting them a little hobby shop. So that's a retirement bell lamp. My grandson called it the bell. So next time you see this motor, next video, that'll be part 8 or 9. I think it's 9, and I've then I'll get the belt for it, and already got the pulleys. But for July the 20th, Bear's Rod Shop's out. We just want to keep in touch. I'm gonna call this Pray for Texas. We're out of here.